So drilling holes in a straight line. Now there are a lot of stuff in the market which you could buy, and there are countless number of jigs which you could make using a drill press or using engineer square and all that. But the one which I'm going to show you is this particular model from Axminster. I mean, there are a few different models which look similar, and it just retails for around 20 pounds or so, and it's got a pretty good review. It's got almost a 5-star rating, and you can see that it's been viewed heavily every day, and they have also sold a whole lot. So if it's good for other people, it should be good for us. So let's just go ahead with unboxing this particular one. So out of the box you have all those contraptions which you need to assemble. So it's basically a steel plate with 2 rods with spring mounted on it, and it just slides in, and the spring provides the tension for your drill to go in and out. Now obviously from the reviews you can see that you will not be able to use a cordless drill in this because the chuck's just too big that it won't fit in. So you need the old school drill. With that, the chuck would go in perfectly into it. So place the drill in the hole and then use a supplied Allen key to tighten the bolt up. And once you've tightened it, just give it a good push to make sure that it doesn't wobble around and all that, because if it wobbles, it defeats the entire purpose. So there are 4 knobs on this jig. The first one is used to hold the drill in place. So if you want to drill at a fixed length, this is the one to do. The second one in the bottom, that's used as a stop. So if you only want to go say like 2 inches or so, you adjust the knob in that angle. Also be aware that you need to factor in the space of the compressed spring as well. At the rear you have the last 2 knobs which you use to hold the steel rods in place. So you use that to align the rods perfectly flat against the steel plate. Now the V groove on the steel plate is used to drill straight holes on copper pipes, PVC tubings and those kind of things. So that's basically it. It's such a simple thing. You can't go wrong with it. So what I'll do next is try drilling all this on a few projects, and I'll show you how it works. So I've been using the straight hole jig left, right and center on various projects. It came really useful while doing my Paragola build, and I also used it in different projects while making other furnitures as well. So every time you use it you get a consistent straight hole, and that's really helpful, especially when you need to drive bolts in through posts and all that stuff. Now here are some stock photos from their website which shows the various other applications, like drilling just straight holes on machinery, on tubings and all that stuff. So would I recommend this? Absolutely yes. This is something which you should get if you don't have one, and it's so simple that it makes your life easier while drilling straight holes. Thanks for watching.